I was craving ice cream, so I decided to make ice cream at home. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made the homemade ice cream. To make the ice cream, I made use of three major ingredients: condensed milk, whipping cream, and vanilla flavor. You can get condensed milk or any of these three ingredients anywhere in the stores, but I decided to make the condensed milk myself, and that is what you can see using evaporated milk and sugar. Yeah, I see you. Yes, you. Welcome to this channel. My name is Beulah Olainde, and I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get premium content like this one. Have you subscribed already? Okay, thank you. Now here is the whipping cream powder that I'm going to mix with water. You can use milk as well, but I used water. I didn't use too much water, just a considerable amount, and then used blender to blend it together, since I do not have a mixing machine. Okay, so after blending, I put it inside the fridge for few minutes, and that's the product that we have now. So I then started to put in the other ingredients. This is the condensed milk, and then later I added the vanilla flavor that I used. Then I used the blender to mix them together. Now the ice cream is ready. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.